Welcome to the new and improved Salesmsg. We've recently launched a fresh look and are excited to show you the updated features. In this video, I'll walk you through the revamped contacts page in Salesmsg. So let's dive in. First, you'll notice the streamlined layout. Your segments are easily accessible on the left, while your contacts are displayed on the right. You can quickly search for a contact by typing their name or number, or create a segment using multiple filter criteria and save it for future use. Searching and updating your segments is just one click away. The contacts table is now more flexible, allowing you to customize which columns to display according to your needs. One of the most significant improvements is the new contact card. Simply click on the contact to view and update their information without navigating away from this page. Adding contacts has never been easier. You can add them one by one or import them in bulk using a CSV file. During import, you can effortlessly map fields and skip those you don't need. Finally, with contact cleanup option, you can easily remediate duplicates and unsynced contacts. And there you have it, the new and improved contacts page in Salesmsg 2.0. Thanks for watching.